the Samyukt Kisan Morcha could take a final call to withdraw the agitation against the central government's 3 farm laws. A final decision in this regard is likely today afternoon. Farmers have been protesting for more than 15 months on issues from the now scrapped farm laws to legal guarantee for the minimum support price. Sources said the centre has indicated it would offer a written assurance to meet their demands. A lengthy meeting of the farmer leaders from the Samyukt Kisan Morcha was held on Tuesday evening at the Shingu border protest site on the Delhi border. The meet to consider the centre's offer concluded without an agreement on how to proceed and will resume at 2 o'clock today, and it is expected that perhaps they will finally call off the agitation.
I can confirm that finally we have a written response and proposal from the Government of India, from Home Ministry, and we have had detailed discussion on this. The discussion remains inconclusive. We will resume at 2 o'clock tomorrow, and hopefully we would arrive at a constructive solution. And I'm sure we would be able to take a final view on this. But it's not just one issue, it's not merely ego. Something more and something substantive is at stake here.
Well, let's go across to Meher now for more. And Meher, there are indications that finally this agitation may be called off. There have been, deaths of farmers in the course of this agitation. One death took place even recently. Tell us more about, what happened in yesterday's meeting, and today's meeting is at around 2?
Yes, Karki, today's meeting is at around 2. The farmers' agitation has reached a sort of turning point, because the government yesterday came to them with a proposal accepting in part almost all of their remaining demands. Remember, when the farmers' laws were repealed, there were a few leftover demands that the government had not fulfilled, but now they've come forward and said we will actually come forward and accept in part a lot of them. But there are a few points of contention still. That's what was discussed in yesterday's meeting. There are 3 points of contention. So remember that there were 5 remaining demands on MSP guarantee, on compensation to farmers, especially those who died at Delhi's borders during the protest. There were also demands for consultations on a contentious electricity bill. They wanted no criminality or fines for stubble burning, and all cases that were filed against farmers who were protesting at the borders. He wanted all these cases to be retracted. So 3 are the main points of contention now. One is that the Committee on MSP should not include farmers who supported the laws. The Samyukt Kisan Morcha, which is the body of umbrella body of all the unions who are protesting at Delhi's borders, don't want any of the other farmers who were not protesting to be part of these laws. Remember, earlier on last year, there was a group of farmers who came out in support of the laws. So none of them, the SKM is asking, should be on this MSP committee. They also want clarity on compensation. The government has said that they will they have promised compensation in principle, but they want specific compensation to the over 700 farmers who have died during the protest. And lastly, this is the main point of contention right now. The government wants farmers to leave the protest site before all the cases filed against them can be retracted. But the farmers say the cases should be retracted before they leave the site. So there's a kind of tug of war in that point right now. This is what they will try to reach a consensus on at today's meeting, which is at 2 p.m.
All right. Thanks so much, Meher, for joining us with those details. So that meeting, as Meher said, will be at 2 today.